Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. And as you know, I'm doing a juice fast and I'm going to update you on day 4 of my juice fast. I'm just lying here by the pool. It's so relaxing. Anyway, let me go back to day 4. Can I remember? Yes, I got up and Sarah, the lady that facilitated, came around about 10 o'clock in the morning, and I had a steam. And prior to that, I did some yoga and meditation. I had a steam, and then I went on this electrolyte machine thing, which she will explain because I'm going to put a video of me talking to her at the end. And then we went down for my colonic, my last colonic. Came back and I went back on the machine, the electronic machine, and then I was told to do a vision board, which was really quite interesting because I was just thinking about doing a vision board for myself, moving on to my next part of my life, thinking I want my next part of my life to be the best part of my life. So what do I want from it? And she brought all these magazines around and a piece of paper and glue and a scissors so I can sort of start thinking about my vision board. And what she told me to do was to make a figure 8, a nice figure 8. On one side put all the things I wanted to let go of, and on one side what I wanted to attract in my life, and then cut out pictures and put it all on like a collage. So I did that in the afternoon and that was really great. And then we came back and I had some more juices and stuff. Basically it was a bit of a relaxed day yesterday because I'm going back today, and I might review today as well because today's my last day, and that's why I'm just hanging out by the pool. The weather's beautiful in Byron Bay, so I can't really complain, and I've got to make the most of this weather because Melbourne's probably cold. I don't know, I haven't had a look. So today she's coming around about 10 and we're going to do some meditation, qigong, might do some yoga, and then I'm continuing my juice fast for the rest of the day. I'm getting my flight about 6-7 o'clock tonight, so I'm going to continue it till the next morning, and tomorrow I'm going to break fast when I go back, so it'll be 5 days. And then we're just going to have a one-on-one consultation about reviewing everything that I've gone through and how to break fast a sensible way when I go back home. And I also want to talk to her about how and what I should maintain in my life moving forward. Some of the habits I want to take on, like I want to take on the oil drawing in the mouth, where you gargle your mouth with coconut oil, because that feels really nice and very cleansing to the mouth. I want to add that to my routine, morning routine. And every morning we do dry brushing. I already do that, so that's really wonderful. And that's about it. And I've had such a wonderful experience being away from, I feel as if I've been in a bubble because she's looked after all my needs while I've been here. It's been a one-on-one retreat, so it's basically just me. And it's really quite good just being me, because if there was other people around I'll be tempted to talk to them. So I've preserved all my energy. She's given me her energy and we've exchanged energy, and it's been really lovely. And I would really like to do this once a year, I think, in my life moving forward. So the next video I probably put on is a bit of an interview with me and her, talking about how detox benefits the body, mind and spirit, and how it's benefited my body. I feel so alive, I feel so clean, I feel so clear in the head, physically, mentally. I feel as if I've got a bit more direction as to where I want to move forward in my life. I've had the headspace to think. I feel gratitude for what I have already in my life. I feel very blessed and thankful, and when I go back I'll be very thankful for what I have, because I was in it and I wasn't appreciating it as much as I should. So I want to enjoy my moments with my children and my family and enjoy this time, this special time in my life. With my kids before they grow up and they don't want to hang out with me. So that's really important to me. Just thinking about how I'm going to try to stay more positive in my thoughts, more positive in what I eat and drink, and more positive in the actions I take moving forward. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. And tomorrow, and the next video is probably me having a chat with Sarah, and she can tell you the benefits of detoxing and why it's a good way of cleansing the mind, body and spirit, and a good way of healing yourself. Anyway, thanks. Bye.